Problem 975. Lydia has 4 straws of different lengths, and she is trying to form a right triangle. The lengths are 8, 9, 15, and 17 units. Which 3 lengths should she use? Justify your answer. So we know that for a right triangle, our 2 smaller areas should add up to the third. So in other words, that's that Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And c squared is always the hypotenuse or the longest side. So for this, I think the best thing to do would be to take these lengths and square them. So I know that 8 squared equals 64. I know that 9 squared equals 81. 15 squared is going to be 225. And finally, 17 squared is going to be 289. So we need to figure out which of these 2, well, we have 4 areas here. So which 2 of these add up to a third? Well, I see that we have a 64 and a 225. And if I add those 2, then I would get 289. So in this case, Lydia should use the lengths. Eight, 15, and 17. And we kind of did justify it over here when we went through this. Now, to do it properly, though, I do want to see it in that a squared plus b squared equals c squared form. So we are going to do 8 squared plus 225 squared equals 17 squared. And again, that was 64. Oops, what I should have done here is I should have put 15 in there. So then it's 64 plus 225 equals 289. And it is true that on this side we would have 289. And 289 is equal to 289. And that is all we need to do for this problem. Just make sure you do justify in, your math. And I would prefer to see it this way, in that a squared plus b squared equals c squared format, that Pythagorean theorem. Then you do want to make sure that you're answering in words and saying that these are the 3 straw lengths that she should use. That is all for 975.